So now we will go over the integration for your payment account. So here we're starting from the dashboard. So we'll be clicking on the settings gear in the lower left-hand corner. And then on the menu on the left-hand side, we're going to scroll down to integrations and click on integrations. All right, so now you can see where you can connect your QuickBook account and your Stripe account. For this one, we will be setting up our Stripe account. So yours will say connect on your end when you first initiate this from this page. Mine says continue because I've already tried to attempt to do this. So just going back through, when you hit search more, you'll give you the entire list of integrations for your payment providers here. So what we're doing is just Stripe if you have your Stripe account. So here you'll look for Stripe, which should be listed at the top, and then we'll click on Connect. That's in the same box on the right-hand side. So you're going to click Connect, and then this page will pop up in the payment screen. If you've noticed that the page has changed back to the page where the dashboard was, on the left-hand side, all of our menu items have changed. So now you're in the payments section. So we're going to click on Connect with Stripe. And then now we will so from here you will give permission for a lead connector to connect to your Stripe account. You're going to click, make sure that your business is connected. Then we're going to click on the connect button. And now you should have your payment integration set up for your Stripe account.